The question is, iron exhibits BCC structure at room temperature. Above 900 degrees Celsius, it transforms to FCC structure. The ratio of density of iron at room temperature to that of 900 degrees Celsius is, assuming molar mass and atomic radii of iron remains constant with temperature. Now its solution. We know that for BCC lattice, Z is 2 and A is 4R upon root 3. And for similarly for FCC lattice, Z is 4 and A is 2 root 2R. So we can find the ratio of D, which is at 25 degrees Celsius, to that of 900 degrees Celsius. We just have to put the values here from the above equation. D is R by 2. So we will get this, R and R will get cancelled and this will remain. So this is the ratio.